Okay, let's go with Michael.
Hi, my name is Michael. I'm at your service to help you attract a bigger audience.
Maybe we will add this one, and there you go. Let's start. Of course, we could have used some different language. So far in this series, we have seen tools that can add voices, dub voices, or even auto-generate subtitles. But to do that, we have been using different tools. Do we have a tool that can do all of this in one? Welcome to the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge, day 148. Meet Dubverse AI, an all-in-one AI tool that does dubbing, adding subtitles, or even AI-based voiceovers. That too in 60 plus languages, all in one tool. Dubverse is more like a studio than a tool. And today we are going to explore exactly that. So let's get started. Head over to Dubverse.ai and click on Try Now. As always, we will repeat the same steps and we are in. So we have three options: video dubbing, video subtitle, or text to speech. Let's go with video dubbing, and it'll ask us to upload a TikTok, YouTube, X, Facebook, Vimeo link here. We can add any of the links, or we can also drag and drop the file, or we can browse it. Let me browse and upload this particular video. This is of 2 minutes or so longer. Okay, the output video will be trimmed to 2 minutes. Please subscribe to enjoy full video output. That's fine. So I'll go to choose speakers, and then we can choose what is the language that we want it to be dubbed in and who is the speaker going to be, right? Clone speaker, get one free. So we can just dub it in some different users. It's asking us which is the voice that we want to use in the dubbing. We have styles here. We have the target language here. We can choose what is the language that we want in. Plus, we can also choose the styles like terrified, shouting, cheerful, sad, whispering, news, default. I'll go with default, and we can also choose the voice, male or female. I'll go with male, and as you can see, the top ones are all premium. I would like if they would give a option to filter this out, but they're not. So let's scroll down, and then we have this William. Let's try to
Leslie, how you doing?
Okay, let's go with Michael.
Hi, my name is Michael. I'm at your service to help you attract a bigger audience.
Maybe we will add this one, and there you go. Let's start. Of course, we could have used some different language, but I just want to show you how this works. So it's just showing us different features that they have. They have multiple speakers. They have retaining music, 4K or HD quality, and animated subtitles. In a minute or two, our video should be ready. I'll click on play.
Welcome back to the No Code AI Challenge, day 132. Let's be honest, doing research these days is so much overwhelming. You search one thing, and you suddenly are drowned with 20 new tabs opened. A bunch of research papers, and you have no clue which app.
Let's try the same thing in some of the Indian languages. So I'm going to download this in, let's say, MP4 format, and I'm heading back to the home screen. I'll do the dubbing again. I'm going to use the same file, and let's go to choose speakers, and this time we are going to do it in Hindi, or let's see if we have a Kannada. Oh yeah, let's try it in the local language, and let's try with the female voice. Okay, let's try this out, or maybe with it.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಜಗತ್ತಿನಾದ್ಯಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಹಾಯ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿದೆ.
Okay, let me try this one, and let's stop. Again, in a minute or two, the video should be ready. And there you go, the video is ready in Kannada.
ನೋ ಕೋಡ್ AI ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ದಿನ 132ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಂಬಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಯೋಚಿಸುತ್ತಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೀರಿ.
I wish I had such a good Kannada accent. So now, whenever you want to add subtitles, do dubbing, or adding voiceovers, you don't have to juggle between multiple tools. Just open Dubverse and it's all in there. One tool, one dashboard, everything you need. So do add Dubverse to your go-to AI toolkit and make your content reach wider audience. And also share it with one of your friends who is doing all of this manually. even today. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next one.